Okay, we're going to change the oil and filter on the engine of a twister floor scraper machine today. This twister just happens to have the old VSG 413 Ford engine in it. Oil filter is on the left side of the engine. We've got our oil, 4 quarts of oil is 10W30. An oil filter, good quality filter, filter wrench, a couple of wrenches to take the oil drain cap off with. Oil drain bucket, and a few rags. So let's get this done. Okay, so we got our wrenches here, got our oil filter here. Going to pull our hose out. We're going to get this started draining while we take the oil filter loose. Okay, we got that started draining. I'm going to take the filter loose. Okay, pull that old one out. I'm going to install the new one. You need to get a little bit of the oil and put on the sealing surface of the oil filter. And we'll reinstall it. And you want to turn that about half a turn after the seal has touched against the block, and then we'll make sure it's tight. Now we can put oil back in it and fire it up. Okay, so we're going to put a little bit of thread tape on these threads to make sure that the cap seals on it. And then we'll snug up the cap. All right, so we can get all of our rags out of here. Tuck this hose back up inside of here, and we can put our oil back in it, and we'll start it up. Okay, again, we're working with the VSG Ford 413 engine. And it's an older engine, but the top of the valve cover is the oil fill cap here. I'm going to be really careful getting this out. They will break. And we're going to put our funnel into the hole here, and we can start putting our oil in. And I believe this one takes 4 quarts. We'll put 4 quarts in, then we'll check it with the dipstick and fire it up and check it for leaks. Okay, so we put the 4 quarts in, we got the oil filter tight. I fired the engine up, let it run for about 30 seconds, make sure we had good oil pressure and make sure we weren't leaking anywhere around the oil filter itself. And now we're going to check the oil and see if it's got the correct level. And it looks like we have got it just right on the mark right there. So we're ready to go to work.